Lead Left Vodcast for the week of July 27th. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. As deal makers have adjusted to the new normal of business openings and reclosings across the country, conversations are now back to M&A processes. How has the pandemic affected deal timelines? The time to market will inevitably elongate, one top middle market banker told us. Buyers and sellers will need more preparation to assess the impact of COVID. What's unknown is whether the ramp up in cases in the U.S. will stall the market. What kind of constraints are drags to M&A? Travel restrictions are the most obvious, another banker said. Quarantines limit the ability of management teams to build rapport with buyers and to manage due diligence. What's particularly challenging now is the differing COVID status by state. Also, conflicting state-by-state restrictions can put deal principles at risk. Virtual meetings are fine if you've met the teams before. Otherwise, buyers will have some tough decisions to make. A third firm reported that they had surveyed a number of lenders and sponsors on this topic. One private equity partner said he was lucky with the first handful of deals. All were within driving distance. And the lender said, "We'll figure a way to get it done, even if we have to hire a private jet to do it." Despite the hurdles, sell-side pitch activity is moving forward, with about 2/3 of pre-COVID deal flow. Unlike last year, exogenous factors may drive timing. Tax considerations with the new administration could motivate transactions to happen by year-end. Others were more sanguine. "We are expecting a light second half," a Midwest banker told us. Buyers are remaining very selective, and there are obvious uncertainties. If you're a motivated seller with a good property, clients should try to launch before Labor Day. Are owners nervous with the current market volatility? Yes, he said. As happened after 9/11 and in 2009, founders are considering more urgently the need for a business and financial partner. There's a lot of political and other stuff going on. It's going to be a bumpy second half. Next week, how are investment banks managing the financing process? Reporting from the Crystal Ballroom at the Lead Left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.